Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to draw a cute panda. And at any point in the video you can pause it to take a break or if you need to catch up. But right now we're going to start in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw an oval. And inside the big oval we'll draw two more ovals, long ways going up and down. And this will be the outside of the panda's eye, which is normally black. And inside the ovals, we'll draw two circles. One for each eye. And in the circle, I draw two smaller circles for highlights of the eye. Next, we will draw the nose. So I do a small little triangle and I come down to make the mouth on both sides and I curve a line out. And next we'll do the ears. So we do just a half circle on each side above the eyes. And next we'll work on the body. So I draw a line down on the right side and curve in. Next we'll add the tail. So I just do a small half circle on the bottom. Next we'll do the arm. So I just made an oval for the arm on the one side. And then underneath the mouth, I come in and I draw a line out and down, and then back up, and then over, and then back around and up. And we'll draw a straight line or a curved line down for the stomach. Next, we'll draw the foot, and I draw a line out and I curve up, back down, and around. And on the other foot, I draw a curved line up, straight line down, curve around, and bring a long line back around and back up to connect the line. And I'll just connect the bottom of the panda and the stomach to the feet. Next we'll draw a heart. You can put the heart anywhere you would like on the panda. And next we'll draw the bamboo leaves. So I draw a curved line up, and to make the leaves I do a curved line out to a point and I curve back around to make a leaf. And you can put as many leaves as you would like on the stick. I put one on the top, so I draw a curved line out and around, and I draw one on the left side and I'll curve a line out to a point and back around. And I'll draw another one on the right side. And here you can draw it through the ear and go back and erase the line, or you can just pick up your pencil and put it on the other side of the ear and finish it off. And I'll draw two more leaves on the left side. So you draw a line out to a point and then back around. And then I'll put one leaf behind the ear, and then you'll only see the bottom part of the leaf. So I just draw a curved line to the ear and then a curved line to the face. So there's the panda with the bamboo leaves. I'm going to go color it and add some detail to it. And here are the final results. I really hope you had a fun time following along with me today. And to see future videos of mine, just subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys have an amazing day.